Hello, hi dear guys, welcome to on my YouTube channel. I am come back with the new video, new perspective to the learning the English. Today I am gonna to tell about how to speak English very fluent way and easy way. Sometimes we feel like we are too stuck in that language when you are to speak as well as something the other persons they are to speaking with you, but you are too stuck there. What is the main problems there to happens when you are too stuck? When you are to talking about the other any topics, for example any politics, any hobbies, then we are too stuck there. Why? Because the we don't know actual the vocabulary and how to speak that language, because the we have to lack of the practice as well. Sometimes for we are so much not too into the grammar, sometimes grammatical mistake that happens, but it's okay. They to just need to the talking to English with the conversations, with the practice with the stranger person. This is the best way to practicing every day and every morning as well every evening. You can to just doing a practice. This is the best way I think to the learning the English. There is no anything to options to very fast to speaking. Sometimes for I am also stuck in there. Sometimes vocabulary is not to just to pick up them and not to very quick in my mind to come in here, but it's the part of the process. Just be in the learning the English. Thank you so much and subscribe my channel, all dear friends.